Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here. I just want to say a really warm welcome to you and thanks very much for joining me in today's video. If you're experiencing a sense of overwhelm in your affiliate marketing journey, maybe you've bought a few courses, maybe you've been trying this stuff out for a little while and nothing seems to be clicking into place, I'm going to give you guys some advice that was given to me a little while ago, and it's basically what took me from having around about 2K per month to over 10K per month. This all happened within about a 7-day period once I implemented what I'm going to share with you guys. So if this is the first time on the channel, welcome. My name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Also, if you are interested in ramping up your affiliate marketing, no matter where you are, if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, whatever your level is, I do have an offer to make to you guys. All you need to do is click that link below. It's called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. I'm one of the coaches there. We basically take students through a pathway that leads them on to building a sustainable online business, allowing them to sell anything they like online. It's pretty cool stuff. Not going to be for most people, but the students that are going through are getting some mad results. Suggest you check it out if it's of interest. Right, what was the advice? So circa 2017, I was running an agency or consultancy. I was running ads for small business and I really enjoyed it. I loved being able to get results for clients. I loved the people I dealt with. I love the complexity of running Facebook ads from time to time. Not always, but sometimes. But there was always a bit of a problem, and that was I was exchanging time for money. I'd effectively left the workforce and given myself another job, which was fine. Like I say, I enjoyed it. I had some level of freedom, but my true passion was really condensing everything I had built up in terms of knowledge over 8+ years of doing it, 9 now, into something that I knew could help other people out. And so start of 2019, I took affiliate marketing really seriously. I was like, cool, I'm gonna use everything I've learned. I'm just gonna like throw it all together in a big melting pot and see what happens. I'm just going to work my butt off, and because I know I can outwork a lot of people, and I'm just going to stick with it because I'm stubborn. And you might be this might sound kind of familiar to a lot of you. Here's the thing though, I gave myself a sense of overwhelm. I was doing about 11 different tasks per day, and they had to be done every single day. And unfortunately, I didn't really know where the dollars were coming from. I didn't know if it was going to be through the YouTube channel. I didn't really know if it was going to be through my email list. I didn't really know if it was going to be through the ads that I was trying to run at the time as well. So with all that being said, the advice that I was given was to simplify what I was doing. So the advice quite specifically was pick one platform. All I need is one platform where I can get my message out there. I can start building a relationship with my audience and just stick with it. Stick with one thing. Now, I know this is a little bit ironic because, of course, I spend a lot of time on Facebook. I also do some stuff on LinkedIn, and then, of course, YouTube as well. But having said that, it's because I've spent so much time and sweat equity on one platform that's allowed me to go into these other ones a lot easier. Okay, so stick with one to start with. Number 2 is have a product that you can fully back, that you know is going to help people out, and that you are passionate about, that pays you commensurate to the amount of value you're putting out to your audience. So for example, you don't want to be selling something for $1, right? Which again is a little bit ironic. I've actually got an offer in my group at the moment for $1, but there's a very specific reason why I'm doing that. Having said that, if you're brand new, it's doing the same work, you might as well get paid accordingly, right? So pick something that pays you a minimum of $500 or more per sale. Okay, the value exchange is going to be a lot more commensurate to the value you're putting out there, $500. Then the last part is spend some time building the relationships on these particular platforms. So whatever your main thing is, spend some time building relationships. And then the last part of it, really simple, there's actually rolling into the third part and build the relationships, but as part of building the relationships, learn the fundamentals of sales and marketing. I know, like, mind-blowing stuff, right? Mind-blowing stuff. But there's a very specific reason for it, because when it dawned on me that all the knowledge I've built up of sales, of marketing, of all this stuff I've been trying, it didn't have to be complex. I boiled it down into something very, very simple. As you guys know, some of you guys have been on this channel for a little while. My process is really simple. I produce content just like this I reach out to people on whatever platform. Obviously, I don't do it so much on YouTube. It's a one-to-many type platform, but on Facebook, I reach out to people, have a conversation like a normal human. I don't try and sell them anything right off the bat. I just see where they're at in their affiliate marketing journey. I see if it's something that I can potentially help them with along the way. And then, of course, I've got an ironclad diagnostic process that allows me to diagnose where that person's at in their affiliate journey. I can work out what might be the right solution for them. And the most important thing for you guys to take away from that component in particular is that not everyone's going to be the right fit for your programs. Not everyone's going to buy your product, and having that mindset that is completely cool if someone walks away from the deal, that's completely fine. In fact, I turn people away because I know that what we're doing in Super Affiliate Accelerator is not going to be for everyone. It involves work. It involves the fundamentals of sales, of marketing, of branding, and not everyone wants to do that. They want the shiny funnels. They want the done for you, this, that, and the other thing. They want to spend $10 and expect to get a 6-figure business out of it. And it's just, if that's you, then, good luck to you. But it's we want people that are prepared to work, willing to invest in themselves and their own education, take it seriously, treat it as an actual business. And that's it. So to recap really quickly, simplify the business, simplify whatever it is. So find the one platform that you're happy with, work on things like mindset, fundamentals of sales, marketing, branding, copywriting, all that stuff that probably for newbies isn't quite as fun as all the other stuff, all the shiny funnels and the done for you, this, that, and the other thing. Spend some time learning that. It'll be infinitely more important than the other stuff. I can assure you of that. Number 3 is find something that you can get behind that is going to allow you to be paid at least $500 per sale. Okay, very, very important. Without that, then what's the point of doing it? You're going to be working your butt off for very little reward. So you're better off, if you're going to do this pathway, you might as well get paid accordingly, right? And then last thing is just work on sales. Work on something to convert people from whatever platform you're on into customers, the ideal people that you're talking to, right? So whether that is might be that you want to create something that captures emails and then has a follow-up, you work on that. You work on the copywriting, you work on getting better open rates, you work on your landing pages, you work on all that stuff. That's the important stuff, right? Simplify it. Simplify as much as you can. So if you do those 3 things, basically just sales, one platform, one product, and just concentrate on that. And then once you get results, once you start learning the ins and outs of that stuff, then you can start adding all that stuff on. You can get complex, you can add your emails, you can add your autoresponders, you can go onto other platforms, you can start producing videos, you can start doing all that other stuff, right? But if you start off doing that, you in a sense have overwhelm. That's where I was. I speak out of my own experience. This is how I feel qualified to tell you guys about this. So that's it. Simplify things down, and you'll find, like I say, once I kind of got rid of those 11 things I was doing every day, which included running ads for clients and all that stuff that I was doing, once I got rid of that and I just had a very basic 4 steps that I did every day, which was content, engagement, outreach, sales, but just those 4, my business, like I say, within 7 days, I had my first $1,000 a day online. I had another $1,000 a day the very next day. I ended up having my first $10,000 a month just from following that, just from simplifying my business. Then, of course, once you've got that down pat, like I say, that's when you add fuel to it. That's when you can look at ads, but at least you've got a framework to work off. You know how to sell, you know how to get the people from your ad into your funnel and whatnot, and then you can obviously pitch them, things like that, right? So anyway, work on those things, fundamentals, branding, sales, all that sort of stuff. It's not, like I say, for newbies in particular, it's not the stuff that gets promoted quite as heavily as all the the fancy stuff. But I can assure you that if you spend time going through that process, learning that stuff, you're going to be infinitely better off than if you just followed the other pathway and tried to overcomplicate stuff. Anyway, my name's Jamie. Hopefully you got some value from that, and drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next video.